Larry Mandelberg here with your Business Suicide Prevention Minute, and today's topic is on the pitfalls of success and how to survive them. Specifically, we're going to talk about the aspects of growth that involve change. When I speak to large groups of people, one of my favorite things to do is to ask the audience to raise their hands if they think people like change. Invariably, almost nobody raises their hand. And then I say, how many of you think people generally don't like change? And of course, the rest of the room, if not the entire room, tends to raise their hand. At which point I say, well, you're all wrong. Every single person loves change. It's not change they don't like. It's the change that's done unto them. Everyone loves the change they do unto others. As your organization is growing and changing, please remember that the key to a successful change is helping the people that are impacted by it to feel as if they're a part of the change themselves. Otherwise, you're going to have resistance. If you've had any experience with this, please share your story with me on my blog at Mandelblog, lmandelberg.com, where you can find more about change and the pitfalls of success. Thank you.